the bathroom.
League
Our old
Chapman
League.
on the eve of the new Premier League season.
Yes, indeed.
1994, Lee Chapman's going to be here and looking good, mate.
Thank you. I've got the gear on and see.
What a supporter.
What?
Who's this one, mate?
What?
Who are you barracking for?
My auntie.
And Zig supporting his auntie. Yeah. Anyway, hey.
Auntie Zig.
I thought it'd be a good
Auntie
idea, Mark.
Peggy.
I thought it'd be a good idea, so
She
I
bought me
recruited
this.
three
This in the
models.
Oxfam shop. It's a kid vibe.
Ronnie,
Keep me warm in the autumn.
wait your turn. I said I recruited three models. Well, they were members of the staff, shall I say? And I recruited them to show off the latest 94-95 Premiership team tops.
The
Okay.
strip.
The
new strip.
So,
Great.
Can we
What do you got
have
first?
model number 1, please?
Dave,
it's Jay.
Jay is modelling the new Arsenal strip.
Arsenal. Show us what's new. Turn around. There's the new bit.
Oh, look, it's on the
Arsenal
bottom.
written
A
across
bit of
the
Gothic Arsenal.
back, and it's got beautiful white touches to the sleeves and collar. And we like it very, very
That's
much.
smashing.
Yes, indeed.
That's
lovely.
How much
Ronnie,
would one of those be?
Can we have model number 2, please?
How much are they? Do you know?
Ooh, it's the lovely Ronnie.
$34.99.
34.
They're all the same
Ronnie's
price.
wearing the latest, and I mean latest.
Ronnie,
ladies.
stop being
Man
sexy.
United strip. Stop being sexy on my show. Right. No,
That's
stop it.
better. Man United.
And
That's
now
lovely.
That's very red, Joe.
delicious Joe,
very
who's
red.
wearing the latest Ipswich chow.
Ipswich.
Hello, Joe.
Yow, yow, yow.
Indeed.
Very
Hello, nice
Beautiful.
stripe.
Oh,
Featuring
what
a
is
nice
new about that?
pinstripe and a black
Nice
ended
pinstripe.
sleeve.
That's
We like that
fantastic.
very much.
Gee, they're all pretty red, aren't they?
They're all very, yeah.
Well, I'll
And
tell
they're
you
all-
what, right? All these new shirts are all well and good, but what will the country's top players be wearing on their heads this season? Aha! Aha! Right, so what I thought we'd do is I was going to show a selection of the latest wigs for the new season, right?
What?
So here we go.
Football
Try
hair.
this one out first.
Who's
Sorry,
this?
You put that on.
Okay. Oh,
That's
how?
Mark, okay.
Okay, how would you rate that one, Zag?
Well, if you're running down the pitch at a high speed over 50 miles an hour, I'm afraid that one won't do.
No, you'd
I
probably
need a little
triple.
goat, a little beard.
Let's
Yes,
have a
yes.
look.
Very American defense.
Although you
Um,
could hit the
feel like
player
American.
behind in the eyes with it and put him off.
Yeah,
Let's have a
Dave?
look at this one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's more like it.
Oh.
Yes, I like that one. You can
think?
give someone a good old whiplash in the eye when you're doing a turn.
Yes,
Very
I like that one.
1970s.
I like
Yeah,
that
it's
one.
nice, I
And
like that one.
finally,
That's for you, Ron.
and finally,
Oh.
yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
Dangerous liaison.
you certainly put the other players off if you came out looking like that.
I reckon you just might.
Yes, in tight shorts.
So there you are, ladies and
Brilliant.
gentlemen, some tips and some
The new
fashion
and the new hair.
for the new Premiership League. Lee Chapman's coming up soon.
Lee
Yes.
Chapman, question
Oh,
about the clip.
which traveller has been washed up on the beach? But remember, don't phone.
It's just for fun.
Demos!
Lee Chapman.
Good morning, Vietnam!
Close up of me and Lee. Close up of me and Lee.
Oh, me. Yeah, Lee Chapman.
Hi, Lee. Thanks for coming.
Hi, how you doing?
Lee, we've just decided, myself and Zig,
Yeah.
we've had a little meeting. We decided we want you and Leslie to be our mum and dad.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
so touched. We'd love to be. We'd
Yeah,
love
well,
to
we'll
be.
be on
Only
later.
175 quid a week plus that and free tickets to all the matches.
Yes!
Right, and you can
Done.
be our dad and mum.
Excellent!
Cool.
It's done with the suitcases downstairs.
Lee,
How are you, mate?
Hi, Mark. how you
Lee,
doing?
Mark
to the
Lee,
bathroom.
our old
Thank you very
mate.
much.
Lee, what's for dinner?
For dinner?
Yeah.
Your favourite?
What?
Peas and rice.
I don't like peas.
Oh, Dad!
Peas.
Oh, Dad!
Oh,
Dad!
they're good for you. They're good
But
for
it's
you.
a Friday! We want fish and chips!
Pizza!
Have you been adopted?
I've adopted these.
Yeah.
Oh,
cool.
what a good man. Oh, good. Maybe they can leave my place.
I better get back
You better
to
watch
business,
it or we'll
though,
set
Mark.
our dad on you.
Fair enough.
Yeah, mate.
So you can leave home.
Our dad plays football.
Okay, doke. We got 3 fantastic facts.
Three fantastic facts.
Three
Fact
fantastic-
one. Lee began playing with Stoke City and went on to Arsenal, Sunderland, Sheffield Wednesday, North, Notts Forest, Leeds United and Portsmouth before arriving at West Ham. All those clubs indeed.
Mate,
Fact
that's a
two.
lot
With
of footy.
31 goals to his credit, Lee was the country's leading goal scorer in the 1990-91 season.
How many goals? How many goals?
31.
31 goals.
31!
That's pretty serious.
That's cool.
That's why he's
That
our
is
dad.
cool.
Yep.
Fact 3, Lee is married to the lovely actress Leslie Ash. And they have 2 beautiful children. Now they've got 4 children.
4 now.
4
Kids,
now.
mate.
Cool.
Hey.
Big
Okay.
dog makes 4.
We better get our own room as well.
Yeah, better have her own
We've
room.
got to have our own room.
We've got some questions for you,
Right,
Lee.
okay.
Here you
Go
go.
on
Zagger.
Thank you, Mark.
Zig, my old mate, my annoying little friend.
What?
No, nothing. I love that hat.
Okay.
Lee, you present a new video called How to Become a Professional Footballer. But can you give us 3 top tips to achieving this goal?
Yeah, right. Number 1, practice your ball skills as much as you can.
Yes.
And as often as you can.
Okay.
2, you have to be very determined and you really want to be a professional
You've got to be
footballer.
sure. You've got to
really want to do it.
100%.
Dedicated.
Yes.
And 3, the most important tip I can give you is to buy the video. It's essential.
Oh.
Nice
You
plug.
can't do it without the video.
Nice plug there. That's a good one.
Good one, Dad. Good one. Dad, you have played for 9 different clubs, but Dad, is there one club you would never play for no matter how much money they offered you? Dad?
No, I have my price.
Do you?
Whoa.
Yes, I have my price.
There.
They could offer me enough money, no matter which
Really?
club.
No matter what club, no matter what, ever.
Yeah,
No, whatever.
no
How
matter
much
what.
money? How much money, Lee?
How
I'm
much
not
money?
talking of a lot.
No.
How much have you got in your pocket?
There you go. You want to play for our team?
Yes.
Dad,
I'll
Dad,
give it a go.
Dad, don't sell yourself cheap, Dad.
So I'm getting old.
You've got to
I'm
look
getting old.
after all 4 of us
Yeah,
now.
there's 4 of us now, you know.
Your wife is an actress. Yes.
Yes.
Our mum.
Exactly.
Has
Our
she
mum.
ever given you any tips on faking injury?
Faking an injury.
Of course not.
No.
I'm an honest professional.
Yes.
How dare
No
you
way,
ask
no
that
way.
question?
How dare he? Yes.
How
Tell him,
dare
tell
he?
him.
Yeah.
You're not your dad, you're
That
insulting.
question was last time.
You wrote it.
Oh,
They just weren't game.
Let's move swiftly along.
Look,
Our
look at the
dad's going to review 3 top videos
We are.
that are out this week. The 3 Musketeers, check this out, with Keeper Sutherland and all that bunch. It's
We
cool.
want to mark out of 10.
Ah! Ah! Yeah!
There it is, 3 Musketeers.
That's good.
Have you seen that, Lee?
I've actually seen this at the cinema, and it was very, very good. I would give it 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. It was fantastic. It was a hard man. Hard but fair.
Blimey! We'd like to see what he really likes.
Video number 2.
Video number 2 is Skip and Hercules. The dog and cat.
Now that's better. Now someone who knows what they're doing's in charge. Oh,
Just what I need, a detective.
oh, my first case. What's up?
Some rat stole from me.
Came to the right cat. I've been hunting down rats my whole life.
There
That's
it is.
rubbish.
Spiff and Hercules. In a nutshell.
Have an opinion, Zig? Why
Brutally
don't you?
frank.
Brutally
What do you
frank.
reckon, mate? Out of 10?
This is my sort of film, and it's my son's favourite. 8 out of 10.
You can never tell with Lee, can you?
It's the last one.
Yes, Gulliver's Travels, the animated version, Jonathan Swift's classic.
Quiet. We're almost there. Where is it? I don't know. But it was right here. Here. Oh, yeah? Well, where is it now?
Well, where is it now? What
Well,
am I
it's
looking
all action there, isn't it? Sit on the edge of your seat, why
for?
don't
How do you
you?
lose someone who's 100 foot long? Isn't that what Gulliver's about?
They should have had an interval in the middle.
See, it's very old now.
Yeah, that
Almond-
scene was actually nominated for an Oscar.
It was?
Yes, the longest wait for anything to
Yeah.
happen.
Yeah, anything ever to happen.
In the history of
and it
cinema.
took another 35 minutes to get that answer. It's $9.99 a day. You might like it, though.
Yeah,
It's a bit of
Gulliver's in there
nostalgia.
somewhere.
I like it. I
Bit of
thought it was
nostalgia.
good.
Anyway, Lee.
On excitement value alone, 7.
Seven.
Yeah.
Good.
Jeez, imagine if they'd have found something, eh, Lee?
Wow!
Imagine.
It would have gone right off the scale.
Yeah.
Probably to
11.
59.
Lee, we're going to pack our bags now and come home with you now. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Well, it's tea time. We've got to go back.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, then, can you
you're a
push
bit
the
early
question
for
out the
tea,
clipper
but you'll have some down in the canteen. And the question about the clip is, whose dancing feet are these? But remember, don't fear, it's just for fun.